Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Be less curious about people and more curious about ideas. I am among those who think that science has great beauty. The way to move forward is to understand the unknown. One never notices what has been done. One can only see what remains to be done. We must have perseverance, and above all, confidence in ourselves. There is nothing in life that is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Science is not only a disciple of reason, but also one of romance and passion. The essential thing is not knowledge, but action. The best way to not feel hopeless is to get up and do something. It is important to keep the mind active and continue learning throughout life. We must believe that we are gifted for something and that this thing must be attained. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Be courageous and try to continue to work on a problem that is interesting to you. It is the application of science that matters most. I was taught that the way of progress was neither swift nor easy. The only way to make sense of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. The way to move forward is to understand the unknown. The best way to predict your future is to create it. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. The best way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. To live without hope is to cease to live. Science is the great antidote to the poison of enthusiasm and superstition. It is the application of science that matters most. And subscribe for more motivational quests.